Hi guys, if your Samsung phone speaker vibrates when playing music or watching YouTube videos and you want to fix this speaker vibration issue, then let's see how to do it. So for that, first of all go to settings. Now here scroll down. Now here tap on accessibility and then tap on hearing enhancements. Now here scroll down and under the left right sound balance section you will see your speaker. Here make sure this slider is set to mid. Neither it should be left or right. Keep it in the middle. And once you set this slider in the middle, now you will get equal amount of sound from your left speaker and right speaker. Once you have done this setting, now here you will see this option mono audio. Simply tap on it and then simply enable it. Now here you will see this option connected audio and phone speaker. Simply select this option connected audio and phone speakers. Now let's go back and here once you have done this setting and enable the mono audio, now let's do one more setting. So for that close it. Now again go to settings and then scroll down. Here tap on sounds and vibration and then scroll down. And now here you will see this option sound quality and effects. So simply tap on it. Now here you will be able to see this option Dolby Atmos. If this option is enabled on your smartphone, simply you have to turn it off. So that's it guys. Once you make these changes on your smartphone, your Samsung phone speaker vibration problem will be solved. And from now on, you will not experience any vibration when playing music or watching YouTube videos. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel.